This is an interesting living challenge for black. So black needs to guard against this white stone because of this push. And black also needs to guard against white's stones on the right side because white might be able to come in. So the correct answer, if you look at all these options, it's actually somewhere here in the middle, right? So this move protects against this push because it sets up number 3 right here. This way, white can no longer push. And the best white can do on the right side is E18. White cannot come in here, right? So this way, black is able to live after 1, 3, and 5, or 1, 3, and 5 right here. Very solid shape. So number 1 should not be too hard to find, hopefully, although there are many first options to try, right? If you play on the 2, 2 point right here, white can come in. And what happens now is that black will just be short on ice space. If you play this attachment, it's the same story. Because white has a stone here, right? White can come in and destroy black's eye. If black blocks here, then white can throw in at number 12 and still kill black at number 14. So that's why number 1 here doesn't work. You can try some of the other variations on your own. If black plays here on the right side, then white will be able to come in like this. Black obviously cannot block here. Even if you play here, this is problematic because white, at least, will be able to start this ko this way. So that is why number 1 here will not work. Of course, there are many other first moves to try. Feel free to try them and let me know if you have any questions. So overall, you have to know what you have to guard against, right? So I think these threats are pretty obvious and you have to try to guard against them from both sides. And that is why the correct answer is right here, C18. Hope you enjoyed this little challenge, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.